guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video I'm gonna discuss about a mic which suits YouTubers, especially beginners, which is pocket friendly, which is cheap. So should you buy Boya Pro mic? Yes, you should, because if you are a budding YouTuber and you need a better audio quality, you should go for a mic. And this is a mic which comes in a budget. It's pocket friendly, it's for the beginners, and it helps and it gives a good audio quality. So about Boya Pro mic which I bought, what are my thoughts? It is better than the standard smartphone mic. So what are the advantages of using a mic for YouTube recording? So for YouTube recording, it helps a lot. It helps in amplifying your voice, and your voice is more clear and it can be mixed along with the video, and for voiceovers it helps a lot. Next advantage of Boya Pro mic BYM1 is it is handy, it is portable, it comes with a small pouch and you can carry it around easily. The voice output is pretty good, and for a beginner it is a good mic. Is it pricey? Yeah, it costs around 3000 INR, that's 150 Qatar Riyal approximately. But if you are buying the same mic in India, it costs only half the price. So is this pricey? Boya BYM1 Pro, it is pricey in Qatar. It is less expensive if you are buying it in India. Talking about the cons, the disadvantages of having a wired mic are it gets entangled, the wires are pretty long, so it is a bit of a mess to wind it up and carry it in a small pouch. So should you buy this mic? Probably yes, because it fits in your pocket, it's pocket friendly. Suggestions for a good mic for YouTubing, I would say, according to the research that I've done, I did watch a few videos and I did Google my part, and I found that a Rode wireless mic, it's a bit pricey. It's around 800 Qatar Riyal tag, that's about 16 to 18,000 INR. So this is a wireless mic and it's pretty good. The sound output is pretty good and it's easy. It's portable, it's quite small, and it's very handy.